Every second, thousands of bottles of Coca-Cola are opened somewhere in the world. From busy cities to remote villages, the iconic drink has become one of the most recognized products ever created. But while billions of people enjoy Coca-Cola every year, very few know what happens behind the walls of the factories that produce it. How does simple water, sugar, flavoring, and carbon dioxide become one of the most famous beverages on Earth? Today, we're taking you inside the fascinating manufacturing process to see exactly how Coca-Cola is made in modern factories. The journey begins with one of the most important ingredients in Coca-Cola: water. Since water makes up the majority of the drink, it must meet extremely strict quality standards. Before it can be used in production, water goes through multiple stages of purification. Advanced filtration systems remove impurities, unwanted minerals, and microscopic particles. The water is then carefully tested in laboratories to ensure it meets the company's precise specifications. Even the slightest variation can affect the final taste, so quality control teams constantly monitor every batch. Once the water is approved, the next step involves preparing the syrup that gives Coca-Cola its signature flavor. This is where one of the most closely guarded secrets in the beverage industry comes into play. The exact Coca-Cola formula remains one of the world's most famous trade secrets. While factories receive concentrated ingredients from specialized facilities, the precise combination of flavorings is known only to a limited number of people. Inside the factory, large stainless steel mixing tanks combine water with sweeteners and flavor concentrates. Depending on the country and local regulations, the sweetener may be cane sugar, beet sugar, or high fructose corn syrup. Automated systems measure every ingredient with remarkable accuracy. Computers control the entire process, ensuring that each batch maintains the exact same taste that consumers expect. The syrup preparation stage is critical because consistency is everything. Whether someone buys a Coca-Cola in New York, Tokyo, London, or Dubai, the drink must deliver a familiar experience. To achieve this, factories follow precise recipes and strict production guidelines. Sensors continuously monitor temperature, ingredient levels, and mixing times throughout the process. After the syrup has been prepared, it moves to the blending stage. Here, purified water and concentrated syrup are combined in carefully controlled ratios. Sophisticated equipment ensures that every drop of the mixture contains the correct balance of ingredients. The blending process is fully automated and monitored by computer systems that instantly detect any variation. But Coca-Cola would not be Coca-Cola without its refreshing fizz. This is where carbonation enters the process. Carbon dioxide gas is added to the beverage under pressure, creating the bubbles that give the drink its sparkling character. The carbonation process must be carefully controlled because the amount of dissolved carbon dioxide directly affects taste, texture, and consumer experience. Too much carbonation can make the drink overly sharp, while too little can leave it tasting flat. The beverage is chilled before carbonation because colder liquids absorb carbon dioxide more effectively. Large carbonation systems inject precise amounts of gas into the drink while maintaining strict pressure levels. Once completed, the familiar fizzy beverage is ready for packaging. Meanwhile, another part of the factory is preparing the bottles and cans that will hold the finished product. Millions of containers move through production facilities every day, and cleanliness is absolutely essential. Plastic bottles often begin as small preforms that resemble test tubes. These preforms are heated and placed into blow molding machines where high-pressure air expands them into full-sized bottles. The process happens in seconds and allows factories to produce thousands of bottles every hour. Glass bottles, on the other hand, arrive from specialized manufacturers and undergo extensive cleaning and inspection procedures before use. Cans are also inspected for defects, dents, or contamination. Automated vision systems equipped with high-speed cameras examine each container as it passes through the production line. Once the containers are ready, the filling process begins. This is one of the fastest and most impressive stages in the entire factory. High-speed filling machines can fill tens of thousands of bottles or cans every hour. The beverage enters the containers under carefully controlled conditions designed to preserve carbonation and prevent contamination. The filling equipment operates with incredible precision. Every container receives the exact amount of product required. Automated systems continuously monitor fill levels to ensure consistency. If a bottle or can falls outside acceptable limits, it is automatically removed from the production line. After filling, the containers move to the sealing stage. Bottles receive caps, while cans are sealed with aluminum lids. Specialized machinery performs this task at extraordinary speeds, creating airtight seals that protect the beverage and preserve freshness. Each seal is carefully checked to ensure it meets quality standards. The next step involves labeling and coding. Bottles receive labels containing branding, nutritional information, ingredients, and regulatory details. Laser printers or inkjet systems also add production codes, expiration dates, and batch numbers. These markings allow manufacturers to track every product throughout the supply chain and quickly identify specific batches if necessary. Quality control remains a major focus throughout the entire manufacturing process. Samples are regularly collected from production lines and tested in laboratories. Technicians evaluate factors such as flavor, carbonation levels, sweetness, acidity, and overall product consistency. Advanced instruments analyze chemical properties to verify that every batch meets strict requirements. Factories also use sophisticated inspection technology. High-speed cameras examine containers for cracks, incorrect fill levels, damaged labels, and sealing defects. These systems can inspect thousands of products per minute, helping maintain exceptionally high-quality standards. Once approved, the finished products move to packaging areas. Robotic systems group bottles and cans into multi-packs, cartons, or trays. Automated palletizing machines then stack the packaged products onto pallets with remarkable speed and precision. Stretch wrapping equipment secures the loads for transportation and protects them during shipping. The scale of modern Coca-Cola production is truly astonishing. Some facilities operate around the clock, producing hundreds of thousands of bottles every day. Massive conveyor networks transport products throughout the factory, while sophisticated computer systems coordinate every stage of production. Automation allows manufacturers to achieve incredible efficiency while maintaining strict quality standards. Sustainability has also become an increasingly important part of beverage manufacturing. Many Coca-Cola facilities invest in water conservation technologies, energy-efficient equipment, and recycling initiatives. Modern factories continuously seek ways to reduce waste and improve resource efficiency. Some facilities even incorporate renewable energy sources into their operations to lower environmental impact. Behind all the machines and automation, thousands of skilled workers help keep operations running smoothly. Engineers maintain equipment, laboratory technicians perform quality testing, operators monitor production lines, and logistics teams coordinate shipments. Their combined efforts ensure that billions of consumers receive the same product quality every day. What makes Coca-Cola manufacturing especially remarkable is its consistency. Producing a beverage once is relatively simple. Producing billions of servings that taste nearly identical across different countries and continents requires extraordinary planning, technology, and quality control. Every ingredient, machine, and process must work together perfectly to achieve that goal. From water purification and syrup preparation to carbonation, filling, packaging, and distribution, each step plays a vital role in creating the beverage enjoyed by millions around the world. The next time you open a bottle or can of Coca-Cola, you'll know that behind every sip lies a highly sophisticated manufacturing process involving advanced engineering, precision automation, and decades of production expertise. The journey from raw ingredients to a finished bottle may happen in a matter of hours, but it represents over a century of innovation and refinement. Coca-Cola factories combine science, technology, and manufacturing excellence to produce one of the most recognizable drinks in history. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at how Coca-Cola is made, make sure to subscribe to How Made for more fascinating factory tours and manufacturing stories from around the world. Turn on notifications so you never miss an inside look at how everyday products are created. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of How Made.